Alright, well, we're back out in the chicken coop. I scared them. Looking at the little meat bird chicks. As you can see, they're really starting to get their feathers now. They're getting really big. Today's the 16th. Should be about 10 or 11 days since we've gotten these things. And as you can see, they're really starting to get their feathers now. They really grow fast. Anyway, we've lost 2 so far, so we have 38 now. It's normal. We lose a couple usually. They just they have problems, or they aren't strong. But the ones that are left, we shouldn't lose any more. So there you go, little update. Do another one in a few days. Watch them grow.